sabadito en allá. Venga, muy tarde.
Mathaa ma MWINJOYO manakinya gutikoragwo na undu ungi ithu tukoragwo haha nigetha tuguthondekere hwaini waku ngikunyita ugeni ni njitagwo Bio wa Wambui mwanake wa Shush
na ni njitagwo Njambi wa Njomo ni muraigua Bio ni ohigite riu areita wa Shush hatiri undu ungi ni guthie riu ni MWINJOYO
na maita maingi ni uiguaga andu membafu mundu akioga areoga akiinaga ukaigua mundu arekumutha uguo akiinaga kana angi makirima mundu ararima akiinaga
riu Bio urenda gutwira weyogaga ukiinaga
Waja ingioga na mai mahehu no nginya nyine nigetha ndiganirwo mai mau ni mahehu na ndenda riu tunyitanire na grupu kana thukuru ya Thika Prime aria maraturehera rwimbo rwa gikarinjini ruria roinagwo ni ciana riria cina muthenya munene ikiruta mawira macio
Oloko ho oloko ho oloko ho
magikorwo mena thabari kana magikorwo mena kaundu mareka ni wendaga gukorwo mena mutongoria kana mundu uria ukumatariria uria megukorwo magika otoguo noguo thukuru ya Gituru iraturehera iribeta riao riria retagwo honorable riria riragathiriria mutongoria na riria rirauga utongoria ni undu wi bata muno bururi-ini.
On this bench seated do not ask me why, for I, the honorable must judge and be judged, review and be reviewed. I, the honorable, thrown to the deeper end of the pool. Will I simmer? No, be cool, for I am a seasonal swimmer, and will see and swim through. As I sit on this bench, I stand with you in the auditorium. I not a suspect for surgery, but an accomplice so accountable. So cool your troubles, for I, the honorable, is able. Bury your worry in a hurry. Your performance is my romance. You are the actor, I am the arbitrator. I have the tender, I need no blunder. Ring, ring, goes the first bell. My score sheet ready, my comment sheet needy, for a fill up so tidy. Silence in the auditorium. Next performer, take the stage. Tick, tock. The clock is ticking. The honorable is waiting. My pen is yearning for commenting. Marshals, we are timing. Ring, ring. The performer takes the stage. I see fear and fright engulfing the hall. In your faces, I see anxiety. Anxiety catapulted by curiosity. The honorable adjudicators and the house at large. My presentation a reverberation. So silent and secluded. Secluded, but not deluded. This once great grand festival has lost its beauty and splendor and turned into a battlefield. Enmity, animosity, and hostility. Now, pledge this once lovely celebration of arts. I must win. I must win. We must win. The honorable and all, please bring back sanity to the festival for us children to enjoy. Artistic talent to deploy. Hey, I, the honorable, seated on this bench, evidently engrossed and enthralled, but comment must write in time. Good choice of theme. As I rest my pen to enjoy the unfolding artistic beauty, you begin your bother. Titi, SMS. My dear brother, we've always been together. I see you winched on that bench. Please remember me. My items after that preamble. You know I'm capable. Please remember me. Stop distracting my attention. Do not put me in detention. I am the honorable. Give me a break. This one's great grand festival. The tom-tom sounds of the drums mingled with the peaceful yet powerful pace of piano playing. The rutu and the violin blended the sikuti and the tambourine. Tiki, tiki, tiki. The kayamba shook and trembled. All instruments assembled, unified in the festival orchestra. The crescendos, the diminuendos, and titi, titi, SMS. Another distraction again. This time, an F-Pesa. Wonders never end. This festival as F-Pesa. Titi, titi, SMS. Brother, that is to grease your elbow. Please remember me. Stop disturbing me. Your verse takes the stage. Keenly I wait to watch. The honorable adjudicators, refrigerators, and senators. Mine is a cultural motor fast. Sipoti pesa inanyonya. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Tana niliweka martipet. Sipoti pesa ikanyonya. Kiptakus analia. Ha. Game moja tu ndio imeniua. Sipoti pesa imemnyonya. Jackpot utapata rini. Sipoti pesa inanyonya. Thank you. Titi, titi, SMS. Brother, have you seen the showstopper? My sport pesa must win. Give me a break. The day's work ends and I'm smuggled away. Oh, the honorable is a slave. Must hide my name to save. At the hotel room, still the same doom. Can't talk and mingle with friends. Can't tell my tender tales. He talked to the honorable. That's why they own. Didn't you see him in the Chamaska? He was being compromised. Excuse me. The honorable is a social animal. Today's work is over. To my cave I move undercover. I shall be back tomorrow to drop the bombshell. I shall award on merit without bias. I shall not scratch your back at all. Don't scratch mine even when I call. Yes, I live in a glass house, but stones I must throw for a worthy cause. This is the children's festival. The sanity of the festival begins with me. I, honorable, horrible, I. My phone, Mteja from now on. See you tomorrow.